When somebody comes to me, they have a problem.
The client should really hire Jacobs PC not to address one issue that they have, but really to address every single legal issue that could possibly affect them now, 5, 10, 15 years from now.
Our focus is bankruptcy litigation and commercial litigation, with a subset of corporate transactions and real estate transactions.
It all boils down to analysis, one's ability to analyze the facts and try to predict the outcome.
When it comes to a complex case, the first thing after knowing what the client is looking to achieve is to break down the matter into its component parts.
First and foremost, you have to identify the client's objectives. You got to know what the client wants and what they're all about and what they're trying to accomplish, what their problems are, what their obstacles are, what's getting in their way. And it might even be themselves that's getting in their way. They're getting in their own way, that is to say.
A typical case, there's some financial instability, and we are hired to create that stability for our clients.
We are a firm that is able to really understand not just what's facing you today, but how anything that might come around that will impact it.
I generally don't take on a case without vetting it first, because I don't like to lose.
The first thing I like to do is get my head around all the issues at the earliest stage possible, really before the other side can figure out if those issues exist.
You sue somebody. People forget that the other side has a say.
You want to anticipate what the other side is going to argue well in advance of them actually raising it.
This is about problem solving. This isn't necessarily about a fight and litigating just for the fun of it or for the hell of it. This is, we will use litigation as a means of applying pressure to get to a result.
Creativity is very rare. To have the ability of bringing creativity into this firm, take business creativity, mix it with legal creativity, and an understanding of what one must do to avoid the major pitfalls, that's really the time you can help people.
Clients come to us when they have a seemingly impossible situation that they've got to confront, and they want to at the same time maintain the status quo.
We can address really virtually every legal issue, novel or not, that comes through our door.
Clients, they don't want their legal problems to become their entire universe. They just want their legal problems to be handled while their life goes on as usual.
If we have to keep fighting for a long period of time, so be it. But again, if we can reach a pressure point that gets us to an economic result right away, well, that's great. And Leo and the firm do that.